If if the resistance of the coil is 3 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius and alpha equal to 0.004 per degree Celsius, then determine its resistance at 100 degree Celsius. That is the question. If the resistance of the coil is 3 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius, so I can say T0 is equal to, what is that T0? T0 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. And at that 20 degrees Celsius, the resistance is considered to be 3 ohm. So I am taking R20 is equal to 3 ohm. Then, and alpha, the temperature coefficient of resistance alpha, 0.004 per degree Celsius. You are asked to calculate the resistance at 100 degrees Celsius. That is, the higher temperature, T is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. So how you can able to solve this question? We know the relationship between the resistance at 0 degrees Celsius or lower temperature and at higher temperature. We know the formula is resistance at one particular temperature, RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha into T minus T0. What is R0? R0, it was being considered as R20. R20 is 3 ohm into 1 plus alpha 0.004 multiplied it with 100 minus 20. See, on the left hand side, we have to calculate R100. So R100 is equal to 3 into 1 plus this 0.004 into 100 minus 20, it is 80. So R100 is equal to 3 into 1 plus. When you are multiplying it with this 0.004 with this 80, when I am multiplying this with 80, I am getting 0.4. 4 into 3, 4 into 8, it is 32 with the 2 digits. So 0.32. So I can write R100 is equal to 3 into 1.32. Isn't it? 1.32. Multiply it, you will be getting 693. So resistance at 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 3.96 ohm as the answer. Hope you should have understood. The problem number 2.14. So we have to go for the example problem 2.14 available in the page number 97. Come on, take down the problem. Resistance of a material at 20 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius are 45 ohm and 85 ohm respectively. Find the temperature coefficient of resistance. For us to calculate, it was being given the resistance at 20 degrees Celsius as well as the resistance at 40 degrees Celsius are being given. Resistance at 20 degrees Celsius is taken to be 45 ohm and resistance at 40 degrees Celsius is given to be 85 ohm. Find the temperature coefficient of resistance. So we know that alpha equal to delta R divided by R0 into delta T, general formula. What is the value of delta R? Delta R is difference between the two, that is R40 minus R20. R40 is considered to be 85 and R20 is considered to be 45. So change in resistance delta R is equal to 40 ohm. Similarly, what is delta T? Delta T அப்படினீங்க consider பண்ணீங்க அப்படினா change in temperature. Higher temperature is considered to be 40 and the lower temperature is considered to be 20. So delta T is equal to 40 minus 20. You will be able to get it out as 20. Now you simplify to get the answer. What will be your answer then? The answer is delta R. What is the value of delta R? 40. Let us take these values and substitute it here. R0. What is R0? R0 is R20. that is 45. Delta T is 20. So you will be able to get the answer as 2 divided by, isn't it, 45. 4 divided by 90, or this 4 and this, sorry, this 2 and this 4 will get cancelled. You will be getting 2. So do 2 divided by 45 per degree Celsius. If you can't able to substitute, you leave as it is, no problem. Otherwise, if you want to simplify, you simplify and get the answer by taking logarithms or by dividing by methods. So if you are dividing means you just divide 2, you just put 45, then you will be getting 0.00, then you have to get it out as 20. If it is 20, you can put it as 4 times. So that 4 into 5, 20, again 2, then 4 into 4, 16 plus 2, 18. So 180 divided by again 20, then another 0. So another 4 times. So again it is considered to be 180. Like this it is going on, recurring. So alpha may be 0.044 per degree Celsius is the answer. That is what we are taking it out as the problem number what? Problem number 2.4. Hope you should have understood.